Okay, here we have an atomi smart, not exactly sure, heater with the app, and I'm going to demo it. I have the app open, smart heater, and it comes up and it's on. I can power it off, power it back on. The temperature in the room is 67 according to the heater and the app, so let's bump this thing up a little bit. And it's coming on, so it seems to be working. There's some settings you can do here, like the swing, and the heater should start swinging, and it is. It's moving back and forth. So it's pretty basic. It does what it needs to do. I'm going to wait for this swing to come back, turn it off, and you know, nothing too fancy, but it does the job. There's some other settings on here like countdown and other things that typically don't use. So let's turn it off or turn it down, see if it goes off. And it's off. So basically does the job. This is nice. We have this out on our screen porch, and you can use the phone app to turn it off beforehand, before you go out to the porch. Turn it on before you go out to the porch, which is kind of nice. But you know, it's got basic settings here too, for the actual that you can do control by hand. Let me turn on, sorry about that. You can turn it off. You can control it by hand too, which is nice, and turn it off. This all works just as well, so if you don't want to use the phone app, you're good.